This video will focus on optimizing production, showing how Niotek implemented HORUS Predict to achieve a 40% efficiency increase in discrete manufacturing operations. As Mohammed Saber, plant manager, noted, they transitioned from fixing broken machines to preventing them from breaking. This project focused on predictive maintenance and cycle time for a discrete manufacturing factory, achieving zero production downtime in 4 months. The initial challenge was reactive firefighting, characterized by a run-to-failure maintenance strategy leading to costly unplanned downtime. A lack of visibility and manual reporting meant real-time intervention was impossible, preventing accurate root cause analysis. The solution, HORUS Predict, provided non-invasive intelligence by integrating a high-frequency layer on existing control systems without new sensors. It offers predictive analytics for early failure warnings and real-time OEE calculations via a unified dashboard. Before HORUS, the maintenance strategy was reactive, and unplanned downtime was frequent. After implementation, productivity increased by 40%. The strategy became proactive, and unplanned downtime was significantly reduced through early warning alerts. The measurable ROI included a 40% productivity gain with zero CAPEX for new machines, demonstrating significant improvement without costly re-engineering or operational risk. Technically, HORUS uses high-frequency process real-time signal processing for instant anomaly detection. The non-invasive integration connects directly to existing PLCs and counters, making machine-level digital models future-ready for advanced optimization modules. This success story confirms the value of shifting from reactive repair to preventative action. We stopped fixing broken machines. We started preventing them from breaking. Ready to modernize your operations? Contact our experts to book a consultation using the provided details.